The voice you are about to listen to is a voice of me and Mercy Afisa this morning, today being the 31st of December 2024. Stay tuned.
The night. Fine. When you were calling last night, the network wasn't good, but at the same time I fall asleep. I was so tired. Okay. While you were talking, I was sleeping. You notice?
Yes, I noticed. You said it already. Wow.
How are your kids?
Yeah, we are fine.
Are you with them?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you said the ticket through and fro is 220 something. Did you reserve it already?
I did not. I just showed you, and I showed you so that I would talk about it, but you were sleepy, so there was no response. So I just kept.
Which date did you use in searching?
I've not even said date too.
It may increase now. This is people that travel to Abuja or Lagos, they may be coming back for New Year, going for New Year. What date are you looking at?
When are you going?
Even when I go, me still not they know. I can wake up and change my ticket. I don't normally have no date.
Okay, because this kind of thing, now like this.
Go ahead.
Now like this, everybody's traveling both on land and air.
Yeah.
So the only time that thing will come down is last week of January, then from February.
I'm not talking about money. I'm only asking you about when do you think you can travel. I'm not complaining of money.
Okay. It should be first week. Let's say tomorrow, next week. Is it possible? Because if my children resume, I'm the one that do the school run. I can't travel.
When are they resuming?
They're resuming on the, I think, 8th or 9th of January.
Okay, that means maybe from the 4th now. That is when you will search. So that maybe that 8th, if you are very sure, you go a day, maybe you go back on Sunday. Of it. While you take them to school on Monday.
Don't worry, let me go back to their school calendar and be very sure. Then I'll give you a response. Yeah.
That is one. Then 2, somebody just send me your comments. So I don't know if they are using your fake account or using your name. Sometimes they can just register person's name.
What is the comments? Me, I'm not even talking about Ibusi. The only time I went to your page and commented, it was on your normal page. The rest, I don't know what is happening. Just tell me, what did they say?
No, before they screenshot it and sent to me. Mercy Afisa, there's one, the third name. What is your third name in your page? Hold on. Let me go. Let me get it right. Just be on the line. I screenshot it because I don't normally screenshot. Really? There is Mercy Afisa Mimido.
Let me see it now. Send it to me.
I will forward it to you where like you respond to somebody. So I don't know what the person said before. You said according to you or somebody say you tag the person. Person who is sending wife and 4 months speaking away. Then they normal. That is if I'm normal. Then they say no mention my name. I beg. Maybe the person they mention your name. Then the person can't respond to you. Somebody shalom. Can't respond to you. Say shut up. Do you happy you know do? So that is you people argument. Then I can't screenshot the second one when they send it's like the same person continue to respond, but they send it 2 times different way.
Wait, let me explain. I already got seen it. Rita Ugu posted your video. In fact, that it was the first time. She came to my DM, on my normal profile, one of my pictures, and she commented, check my page. So I know that she was the one who was posting all this saga right from 2021. I went to her page, and when I checked, she already uploaded a video of you, I think you or your wife or something, recently. that I think this is already like almost a month or 3 weeks back. And then they were calling my name. They said, we really did this camera, we know all this kind of stuff. Then I had to pull that down. I had to pull that down to clarify my name. I mean, human being chairman, nobody can just insult me in the public and you want me to close my mouth. The only way for me to clear myself was to say that. Because everybody was like, even in my DM, if I open my DM, my own is, I don't want to go to social media and begin talk. I don't want, if I'm on social media, it should be something good. In that drama, you not go see me. See, except you cut my neck directly, let's say physically. Or even not be physically, but nobody go see me as anybody.
I hope you know I never accused you. I only wanted to know if they are using your fake name. Or if it's recent.
No, that very comment is my comment. Because that was the first time I know you people are even redoing Sega. And then they tagged me. And then I went there, I saw it, and everybody was, maybe you should read more comments. I even told the girl that.
Yeah, I don't read comments. They send it to me. That's why I feel concerned. I thought.
Yes, it's Rita Ubu. And then Rita came to my, not Rita, a lot of people came to my DM saying, why would you go for all this kind of human being? Is it normal? See, that is the only way for me to clarify myself. These are have a name to protect now. They cannot be pulling me down now. Something that happened since 2021. That's why I told you that if for you to stop going for on social media, it means you're protecting me as well. Because anytime they see your video, whether you call my name, you don't call my name, people must bring that to me. They will still bring it to my DM or my WhatsApp line. It's affecting me. And especially when an issue has to do with your wife, they will say na me. They will say na me. You know accusation that they call me home breaker. You will be innocent.
But as for home breaker, I don't think anyway. I can't judge anybody. But what is really happening now? Nobody is breaking my home. This is the prayer I've been praying to God to let this woman out of my life. So anybody who even can't break the home now will be my best friend. Why do you see that I'm not fighting with Uche? You think I don't have both spiritual strength and physical strength? I'm not fighting with her. If I pray that somebody go out of my life, whichever thing that takes her out is my best friend. I will not make friend with Uche, but I will not fight with Uche.
And let me tell you, that Uche thing you said, me, I don't watch your videos, but somebody came and told me that now is back to sender. Me, I was collecting chairman for president. Somebody else is collecting president from chairman. Me. And then I told you, I would just tell them, wait, I'll even send some shots from you from WhatsApp. After here, I'll send it to you. Me, I used to tell them I'm innocent. And I always stand there. I've never break anybody's home. If you won't break, it's you and your wife. Because I believe marriage is between two people. If you cannot control your wrongs, it goes down. You should stop mentioning my name. And that is the reason why I always beg you. Because if you go there and you're spoiling my name, whether you call my name, social media people, they must drag me into it. Okay, anytime you make videos and you talk about your ex-wife, try to check on your comments. If person don't mention my name for there.
It does. Yeah.
By the time people want to search on me, let's say somebody knows me from primary school or somewhere, I'll just want to check my name so that maybe the person can send me a request. Do you know all these things where they comment, call my name? This thing will appear.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to protect. I don't want that thing. As far as you're going on social media to mention your wife's name, they must put my name. They must put my name. You know what is happening now? That's why I used to beg you. Whatever it is, I beg. Because if you don't mention your wife's name, my problem will not come. People will not call my name. Nobody will remember me. But so far as you mention, she tells they mention my name. Your wife said she wants to do for my job. She's also mentioning my name. What did she mention my name for?
She wants you to side her. She's saying you are innocent now, even when I told her the truth that time. See, I know this woman just wanted to use you to destroy me. Even though she have your number that time, I know if they hide, they tell you say talk say na lie. See, when something happened, I just told her when that thing happened, I never even come from abroad. I think it happened 10th of October. I just call her and say, I cannot hide anything for you. Me and Messi date. We meet. Now he verse saying say one go look for man when one meet. I say go ahead. Now waiting to answer me the very day I just tell her say Messi, what Messi is just saying is not true. I can't hide for you because me I know if you go there swear say I not do. I say he say hey. I will also go and look for man to sleep with. That is what came out from that woman at the first. So that one way they do for people to say, hey, Messi do this, Messi now lie. She was just putting fire so that my name go dey spoil dey go. So if now she want know say we do, even me can go juju place, I tell the juju say if me and Mercy not sleep, make the juju not catch Mercy. But if me with her sleep, make catch you, which is true. She know say the truth, both juju and physical, spiritual. She know say I tell her say me and you now with a date. So why he can't come out now say, that's why I like gay Mercy. That's why they pack sand for grand. So just forget about her Mercy. But what I want you people know the truth. If you know one made that they call your name, which my own cause self to return my cause for you, you find a way to let them leave me alone, me and Chama date, which is the truth. So maybe you let them know what to make you vex, come outside. Maybe you don't want make people know, oh, I come outside, and I make you come outside. They will leave you alone because when you now they claim, well, not be saying they crave sent to me, but maybe you still they crave sent to some people. You are not in relationship even before we met. I confirm this from your father. I don't sleep with married woman. You testify, you say they not do this, they not do what they're supposed to do. Now I say no. I want to hear from your father. I personally call your father. Before I slept with you, I not sleep with married woman. I call your father. Your father told me the same thing you told me that even the family have met, they have dissolved the marriage and no proper thing was done. Before I sleep with, I not sleep with married woman. If I sleep with married woman, that person will say, nah, cause he can't sleep with my wife. And that woman not be my wife right from day one. Not when I never do, make she tell leave me. Forget say he get belly. I just don't make people not they laugh me say I not fit give belly. We not there. Now she grew herself. That's why she have the guts to hide everything of me because she know the last day I will still go away or she will go away. So you now you go summon courage, Mr. Afisa say, this thing one they carry. I date Chama. I did not date Chama as a married woman. My daddy knows. Then go leave you. Even if you not gonna say we says, I have something to say. Yes, I said it out of annoyance, which actually you said it out of annoyance, you and me and God know. I said it out of annoyance. I date Chama, I did not scatter Chama. I date Chama, I did not date Chama as a married woman. So Chama also did not hide me, if not that we have issue. I did not date you as a married woman. Your father is aware. So if you want to date married woman, you're going to go tell your papa say you want to date married woman. I date you. I involve your father so that what you are telling me, you know, push me to go sleep with married woman. I confirm for your father. It was confirmed. And in that process, you did village. I greet your mother, I greet your papa. We they talk. And me, I rarely met it that, oh, I want to take this mess, you know, even though not be married, we will do and reach where I think otherwise. But God knows why I say maybe you self now for keep my head past that woman because your action self you pass this woman wrongly. I don't feel like you when I never even say come or I never even start to they say okay let's enter motor stroll make people see us. You just back. This woman was doing her own hiding for 6 years. You know if my one you not even reach a week self you not reach 24 hours so. Me, I know say anything when one keep me they can God they make way for me. Yourself too much past this woman. She not there now her God they here. To say I date you for 6 months, I for not their life. Because you two know just get control over anything. Woman must have limit to even man. If you want these people not to why are they not talking about me again? Is it not because I came out to say we have something and which is true? So when would they yab me with? If you now say, calm down first. If you now, I'm not forcing you, but I know a day will come, not be person will tell you, say, go talk the truth.
I won't call your call president. Look, me, I will never go on social media to engage myself in any sort of friend. I do not own anybody's explanation. Do you understand?
Now when they come for Beno, I know they owe anybody explanation. I saw that my ST they talk.
Let me tell me. I'm not living my life on social media, people.
For the truth of the matter, for you own the explanation. Mercy, listen. You own the explanation before. If you never talk before, Mercy, calm down. If you never talk before, you are saying this, I will believe you. You once own them explanation. You talk, they invite you to all the bloggers. You once own the explanation. Since you once own the explanation, it's time you go and tell them the truth. I am still ready to date you, friend you.
Which one is the truth?
When you go on social media, this boy now when he did for prison now, he jail what they call her. You went there. This person, once two people when they operate from Asaba, one use us to promote his page. You went there. Uncountable pages, you went there. And in your own page, you were coming out every day in your own page.
fridge.
You once owned the explanation. So say now you don't own anybody explanation after denting my name, it not be like that. Me, I know they run for you. I dey tell them on social media say I dey date you. Even so, if I make 3 videos, I dey call your name. Because tomorrow if they see me, and
you serve the control to spoil my name.
I know they spoil your name. We don't want date again. You not coming to greet me. If you greet me now, we not go joke. I be you for. I for use 200,000 buy ticket for you. You can't. So if I want you get your child, I will not buy you tickets. You're not serious.
No, man, no, they come again.
Mercy, sit down. I date you when I get wife. Now I date single. Now we not go date. You're not serious.
I don't want all this wahala really won't carry mental. I don't want. Even the first day, the reason why I even will call you now because to tell you, say, may you stop all this your media thing. You know, good. The unnecessary popularity is not good.
We started when
many people for this
now. You know, say you are according to you. According to you, you be small girl. May I tell you about tradition? If you ever grew up in the village, just listen. There's what they call market. Every market, they maybe for 5 days they do village market. If you lie for market, today na market, you lie, say somebody thief me, they will come go summon you. You are the person when you say steal. Maybe not people, maybe market they go now village.
Mama, calm down. Let's get pure water and put in the fridge. I'm here.
So when they can't go where they say Mona can't swear for king place, you can't see juju say I know who swear I lie. You know what thing that they do? They will say on market day, may you carry bear, go ring for that same market when you first thought say this person thief. That's what they do. So now listen, I'm not begging you. So now, if you once have my time, have social media time, explain forcefully. Now, the say you, now must to, not be say they force you. The say you must go to your page on one of those 2-3 pages. I won't say, Chairman tried to rape me. It's not true, we were dating, but he did something wrong to me. It provoked me. That thing, a pepper body you will take to not be say they beg you because me and you sleep like husband and wife. Sleep, no force, not even in your house. You voluntarily meet me where I was. We not forcing. You pull, not be me pull you. I pull, not be you pull me. We did something, and I still give you some money, not because I am paying you as a hawk. I give you because you transport that day. We enjoyed ourselves. So now you go listen. You got of annoyance. You say what you said, and you now say you don't owe anybody explanation, Mercy. You owe them, you owe the word and even me explanation, not between me and you. Through the same means, you won't say so. And why you should have the guts to say it? Because you were not married, and your father confirmed it. So nothing to be ashamed about. Yes, I didn't do it as a married woman. It was dissolved before I met Chairman. Simple. Even when you not say we joke, make it not day raw. Yes, me and Chama were having something, but because of quarrel, I got angry and say opposite. I will return all your costs. And my money, I will take return because now you suppose go to return your costs for lying against me. But me, I will return all your costs. Anyone I know if you go, if I call, I send them money, they will buy something. They will return all the costs like that. That I can do that for you. Whether I'm not saying we must date again, but if you, because you should not be say you are making it though. Sure, as you find, as followers follow you, everybody know your name for this, any black race know your name during time of trouble. All of them. I was in your page. As soon as Smart Rich, I was in your WhatsApp page group. I did there. When the WhatsApp page was good, I did there. When fight come, when they fight you, I did there. I come out there last. I come out there, the last person when I don't scatter, now I come out there. I did there with US number. I take and did there. I see everything, I know everything. So now, you are not making it. The way people know you by now, say your NGO say would be like it will pass a VDMO. But the cost not let you go up. And if you never realize, say cost day. If I reach, now you go they look for me because you still they say Shebi they say cause is 3 years. No, cause not they. I not say make you die. I not say make you die. You not go die. But anything you put hand, If you see who they see vision, will say, you once lie against a man who cried, who cursed you. Who is that man? Go and look for him. And that time you will look for me, one beg me in private. I will still tell you, say, go to social media and television station. So now it's simple for you, and we are not even quarreling now. We are talking, trying to still know ourselves. So this is even the best time you do it without stress. I'm not convincing you. I'm only telling you the truth that even if I buy a ticket of 500,000 for you, I will not do anything with you. Because if you not return cause, you go make friend with the person. Person when he swear will carry hair, carry him. I'm a native doctor, I know how it works. But just don't feel too big to go and address the issue. That is for your good though. Don't feel too big to go and address the issue. Even this woman went born for me now. You know, say, time will come, if she dey alive and I dey alive, we will meet, but we not be like boyfriend and girlfriend. That children will make us miss. Say, now today be that children, even though they use her, they cut ourselves. Oh. But a day will come when she will still open her mouth, say, that thing I talk, one of them are alive, because her life will never know peace until how it take build my house, how it take crotch me, how the lies when he lie, he go still use pepper body contact. I know say he lie to get favor. Even this child when he never talk, she will still come and say it. She says she know anybody explanation, maybe on her way for Benue. But that woman will still come and owe people explanation in the nearest future. They watch her more. So me, I know they rush. That is why I'm a spiritualist. I can't lie against anybody. Because they call me for juju, I they fear juju past Jesus. Una when you know they fear juju, make una check una life whether it's steady. It's not good like that. I not sleep with you as a married woman, so it's very obvious for you to go and denounce or re-announce what you said. I'm not begging you. People know the truth, but for your good, for me to enable me do what I want to do, you have to do the needful.
Now you sabi where you are taking me. You know it's what I can do. So
I'm not taking you anywhere. I'm only advising you for your good. But you, when the time, must everybody make it in life messy. Not be people they road, they beg, they hawk, they say. And why the same head when those people?
I'm not making or whatever. Chama, I pay my rent, I pay my children's school, we feed well. So I really don't know what you're saying, and I don't need to go and ask anybody for support to be able to feed my children. I'm paying the school fees over 2 or something every 3 months. So at my age and level, I'm not a politician. I know they do blood money. So I think
you are doing well.
It's normal. And this is Nigeria. This is not abroad that a young girl will be working and be making some millions. So at my age, and then taking care of 2 kids and doing all these things, for me, I'm fulfilled already. I know that as time progresses, I'll make more money. I don't believe in juju. All those things you're talking about, I don't know. You also know that you lied, right? When you told
tell me one of the lie I lied.
Alabon that when you came, I gave you something in the bottle and it took you off. You know those things were not true. I should not be battling wars with you.
Okay, now what is the bone of contention? The cess. Did I lie by the cess?
Talk. Me, I know the answer anything from my mouth. That social media thing. Except person put me in knife for throat. But I don't say if I not talk, they will kill me immediately. If not be like that, man. If na online thing, you're not gonna see my leg. If you see my leg for online, I'm saying a better thing I talk. Let's say maybe I dey showcase my skill, I go for programs. But you see that drama. If you carry knife, you not go see me there.
Which of the lie you say I lie just now? One no.
Yeah, we go like 160 that woman. Say wait. Say you come that place for Ikeja, may I give you something for water, for drink. You say make I go buy juice for you or something. And you and I know say you know buy juice. It was normal bottled water. See, I cannot even go back to those things.
That one says not the same thing. Not be says scandal you take spoil my name. So if I say you want to say you get my picture, if I can't defend myself, say if you will get my picture, I be say you put something for my drink, I slept off. Yes.
You see, but when you talk,
the sex issue is the issue. Now you that say you have my listen, Mercy. You said you have my picture, nude picture. So the only way I can defend myself, say you may have my nude picture. That means I slept off, and if I can sleep off, that means you put something for my drink. So the sex, we sex. So now the sex be the issue. Now you say we not sex. There I carry pennies out there, they pursue you. Mercy, listen good. If you not call me, I know will call you. Whatever reason that make you call me, whether to say my wife no stop quarrel, you want to be a peacemaker. If you not call me, I know will call you. Even when I dey talk of you, say, see, oh, we do something, I will never call you because I know I have to clean myself. Now you when you hear and now you will come outside, come to say, no mind now again, now lie still the lie. We'll still they drag ourselves. But since we know the truth, you call me and I still they like you. And if you don't like me, you know call me. You for go call the family of my wife. So we still like each other, but we cannot continue this friendship when this thing they grant. That is just the truth. If we cannot clear the air together or alone, Mr. Afise, how can my name still be rubbed on the mud? Me and you go they talk secretly. I will want even come buy a ticket of 200 or something. You come Lagos. I will still rent hotel. Then probably we drive to Alagbon. Probably they do something underground. Why the name still my white cross still carry red oil? Mr. Afise, I'm not begging you, but I don't. If I do that, that means something is wrong with me now. If you find it difficult, waiting, say na lie for you to go to public, say it doesn't happen that way. What am I going to give for you when people say na me will come tell you, say, no worry, I can take you secretly. No. Me, I won't do that messing. We can just be saying our hello. We are not fighting. But something can't go beyond this. I must be stupid. The people will say, then charm me. Say, Messi not come out, can't say something, but they see me a Messi. Then it will be like say I bribe you, say one thing, self. Not be like that, though. Una they get deep mind, though. No lie when person lie when not feel redeem, say na lie. Even for court, if they do investigation that they say, if to say I carry you go court or they arrest you. Once the investigation prove, you can have the video, I have everything, I have the hotel we go. If the investigation prove you for say you want to go prison, they will say me you go re-announce for social media, and so it reach now. So if to say I carry you go court, you go say you know re-announce for social media, and when investigation don't prove say we do something, I be not know the hotel where we there. I go meet them, they cut out the video. I get everything to carry go call, but I say you there on the run, and me, I know they their house, not the day for Nigeria. So if I don't want to set you up. If I set you up now, arrest you now, so they prove stuff on head. We can't go and provide evidence. I will not let you go prison because of your children. The judge will give you two options. Either you go prison or you go and answer for all the pages you lie. You will say you want to go prison. That's why you talk and because I'm me and you they talk. But feel free. I'm not after you. I'm not chasing you. I'm not chasing you with police or court. It's easy now. Not be number you take they call me. Not be track they track. I did more connected in Abuja more than Lagos. So now tracking now. But me I not they look for you to track. So feel free, my dear. That one say don't jump and pass. That is 2021. We are now in 2025 almost. That is good 4 years, and I'm progressing. I beg. Check your dates if it's something we can do. And since you are not coming, I'm not accepting you because I am not buying tickets because of you.
I will not come, Chairman. After all, the wig and my laptop I have a laptop that I'm using. My problem is waiting the inside that laptop because I don't finish my program, my wedding stuff, and the rest was inside. Now waiting the home in, I really need a laptop. But
you don't need to come. Call the person that is in charge. They will call me. Listen.
I'm not using those calls forever now.
Listen, let's talk business.
I don't want to
listen, let's talk business. Physically, I feel assist you. But when time reach, you go look for me who lie against me. You tell public. But this one now, if you need, for you to know, I don't want to do case with you. Because if I want to do case with you, they will bring you from Abuja to Lagos, my dear. So for you to know, I don't want to do case with you. Call any IPO. Tell them, I don't want to do case. They will call me.
Chairman, I've already sent you the...
No, I will not help you to call. I will not help you to call. You will work for it. You work for it.
Chairman, no wahala. Everything I've lost, I've bought, so life continues. It's just life experience now. If you don't learn something, you don't go learn.
Not true.
I'm not become. I don't want to wahala.
All right, yeah. Nice talking to you, man.
Okay, bye.
Bye for now.
All right, that is Mercy Afise. Mercy Afise, you follow me on my page. That is you. I have many voices of you. This is just today. Oh, I think day before yesterday, I still have your record of about 20-something minutes. All of una when spoil my name, turn that go fire una. Never worry. You think I were dey stupid if you are the only person remaining in the whole world? I just want to disgrace you, make people know say una when you come from Benue, get as it is the day. As una sabi lie, una go sugarcoat honey, coat lies. Gullible people they follow una. So una sabi lie. Now you on your own will come beg publicly. You say you are making it. Now so they tell they making. Is that the making you wish to make it? You dey lie now. Your sister Rose so well herself they lie. The time when you dey lie, your so they crap and follow you. She dey lie how now they crap and follow your own never rest. Now so how go still rest one day? The part when she built for this house, she go provide her. She go provide her. So that is Mercy Afise. I don't want to replay her record. I don't want to upload all of them today. Like tomorrow, New Year or next tomorrow, I will upload another one. That is Mercy Afise. When you say we don't sleep, at the portion around, I hold on here, I hold on there. Now that is Mercy Afise. God will punish all of you. You see, as you can't they useless now. Now, chairman, when you say you like gates now. Now you they call 247 with they 20 something minutes on phone. As I say, I not get wife again. Say I love Mercy Afise. You can't your head just can't grow that say me. Chai. I rather be single for the rest of my life. No, I'll buy you ticket of 220 something thousand. May you take fly. Come greet me for Lagos. Yeah. No problem. Or me go fry, come me. To know it's better you fry so that you enjoy the air. You will fry here. Yeah, I will soon send that to you. Send me your account number. I don't know how they take me. Whether my simplicity shows say I be mumu for my face. Eh? No wahala. Now una Mercy Afise be that one no. Now una Mercy Afise be that one. Make una tag and me tell una say not be she. Yeah, that is why anytime they talk to her, they bring the matter. Not that we not fit talk another thing. Anytime they talk to her, they bring the matter, making it tell me, say we not choke. Making it tell me, say not being used in leg, come. Whether we not be choking, make us prepare that place for grant. Well, I don't know how somebody will just wake up and lie. Now, he say no anybody explanation. Want us to move on like that. Move on to where? To where? Una funny, sha. You see that Mumu ex-wife will also say, I don't owe anybody explanation, but they owe people explanation to come and lie against me. When time reach for you to explain what happened, make people analyze and say, I don't owe anybody explanation. Benue, oh yeah. All right. I know soon I not go put comments because I expect them to say, yes, we not chook. That is why when he say a lie, I repeat that statement. Which of the lie? Make he say we not chook. He say no, say I talk, say they put something for my drink for Alagmo. Yes, you say you have my nude picture. With my clear eye. Except you set camera height somewhere. How you take get my nude picture? I think I say, okay, if you say you get my nude picture, that means the drink when you give me, you put something inside, I slept off. And that time, this year woman don't let me talk, say, I don't tell police, say, we chook. He and police come, they want me. Not be if I talk the truth, the case will quick die, network, internet will carry. Then want me, may I not write down for statement, say, we chook. I say, what? If you say make a lie, I go lie more lie to cover lies. So now there the issue of, he put something for my drink. Now I sleep off, now I make her snap me nude picture if I thought she have it. Now this year, evil woman say make her not talk that thing for station. Meanwhile, I don't already tell Blessing Ungo, say if I reach Nigeria, I will provide all the video, everything, raw as everything they happen. This woman wants spoil my name, can't say make her not do other one. God don't disgrace you. As God disgrace Mercy Afise, so now so God disgrace Queen Rose. Rose Samuel, wole. Owole, you go enter ile, you enter hole. And so, Mr. Afisa, I seize this opportunity to bring your disgrace to you. The disgrace when you put for my life when God rejects. After 4 years, it has come back to your head. I'm not going to return your curse. Even your children, and they will come return that curse because you will never climb up, Mr. Afisa. You will come down. Until you go all the pages when you go, even the one that is not existing, you will still go there. Before I find it anywhere to forgive you. Even as I speak, more curse upon your life. Shall not be well with you until you come and confess publicly. Tomorrow being New Year Day, I will still pray one of Mercy Afisa's audio. I think that one is so. But I check how many minutes that one be safe. Okay, check. Where you they go, where you they go, where you they go, my friend? I don't know. You don't know. By your day, waiting you see, make you tell us, make we hear. We know they suffer before now, we they cause am for ourselves. Now poto be my word, if it stain your body, I beg you make you no vex. Brothers and sisters, make we pity for ourselves. Sisters and brothers, so make we pity for ourselves. The market when poor they buy, now there rich they buy. The market when rich they buy, now there poor they buy. Don't think when Nigeria they suffer, because they sing this song in the 80s. When they beg government, say make them sorry for the poor. You can see this.
Thank you.
Okay. This one, the one I'm going to pray tomorrow.
So I actually slept. That's why. At that time, Chairman, you know, people know me with you people.
This one I will pray tomorrow.
Let us just talk like two normal people. That your preacher, I don't need that big. Nah, I may need it, but not this morning. Let's just talk something neutral. We don't need to pretend. Me and you not lovers, so let's be talking like love even when we never meet again now. And this one will make you come say, this and that. No, no one hear that one. People know, say me and you not lover. They just want to follow you, spoil my name that time. But thank God say we don't come back together. And me I no go hide that this time. You don't.
So now that one I go play tomorrow. How many minutes this one? This one are 18 minutes. I'm praying that one tomorrow, 18 minutes. I'm praying 18 minutes tomorrow. I know they look for you to carry you go prison. But they look for you. She be na number they call me Mercy Afisa. They go arrest you, track you, arrest you for anywhere you did. Mostly if you, as you claim, say you did Abuja now. They will bring you to Lagos. Straight. All those things. I don't need that. When I don't reach my level, I want to use me the gather crowd, and the crowd don't scatter for my head. So I will come, they get chance, they pursue person, they go again. Waiting. Even you come back and ask, which award they want to give me. But I just want to let people know, say, make them beware of una. All of una not the same. Make them just beware. I'm not going to take you though. You can be moving freely now if you wish to. I know they look for you to carry go court. 4 years, what can use you do? So if you are not sana, waiting the person want give me. Even this stupid woman I married for 6 years, she be the joiner, they fight me. Then say I say bring police, the joiner. He bring police for Nigeria, the joiner. He carry my house paper, the joiner. She have done bigger thing, 3 things against me, and they still join her. I know they work, he bring police. Now you they follow man, they walk around for darkness. Now you bring police for there. Now you say I want buy you. Special allegation. Now you still come here, Nigeria, send your family, they still arrest me. The process, you carry my document, my whole life document, not be say only this house. My whole life document, including this thing I bought in 2016. You have the document, this one. I bought it in 2016. You have the document, but nobody is supporting me because I can support myself. Since I'm capable to handle it, God said no will let ye people come support me. But before 3 years time, will they talk you the way they talk myself? He said, "Oh, now will they talk you? You make me vex. Now make I do this. Now make I talk like that. Go still come, but you know we talk. You know we talking with good heads. You will not say with good head because I will make myself so angry when they say I will they curse you every day. They go praises every day. They ask for justice, spiritual and physical justice. If na me wrong you, let there be justice. If na you wrong me, let there be justice. Will they go every day? If I even go abroad now to go arrange my things, come back home because my property in Nigeria worth me securing. I can't be working while property I have gathered will be wasting. So I'll just go and ship my important things, come back home. We will start. You go see say people when they abroad they mad. Whether people in Nigeria no better pass them. You when will they there they collect children's benefit, they will see they subsidize you. And people when they street here they do market will see you will better pass. Your life will be rubbed on the mud. Queen Rose. Forget. Shebi na my paper you want get. My paper you will get and take get sickness. Then they tell person. Whether I be alias native doctor or I be native doctor for it, we will know. Your family will go native doctor so they will tire. You go say